If you want to edit or use the content of a PDF in your PPT, you will notice that PowerPoint won't open the PDF and shows an error saying PowerPoint can't open this type of file. This happens because PowerPoint does not support the PDF format. But don't worry, you can convert your PDF to PPT in just a few seconds. Open Systweak PDF editor and click on Open PDF. Select your PDF file and open it. Now go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To change your PDF into a PPT file, click on Convert to. Now choose PDF to PPT from the list of options. Confirm the output format and choose where you want to save the file. Then click the Convert to PPT button. Your PDF will now be converted into a PPT file and saved in the selected folder. Let's check it. Here is the original PDF and here is the PPT file we just created. Now let's open this PPT file in PowerPoint. As you can see, it opens perfectly and you can easily edit everything in PowerPoint, text, images and all other elements. Now let's quickly see how to convert multiple PDFs to PPT at the same time. Click Convert, Batch Process, Batch Convert. Drop your PDF files here. Choose PPT as the output format and click on Convert to PPT. The tool will instantly convert all the PDFs and save the PPT files in the output folder. Here are the PDFs and these are the PPT files created from them. And that's it. This is how you can quickly convert any PDF to a PPT file and even convert multiple PDFs at once. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. And if you have any questions or face any issues, just tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.